Welcome to our roundup of the best 4K drones available today. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a professional aerial photographer, these drones are built to capture stunning ultra-high-definition footage while offering advanced stability, intelligent flight modes, and extended range. We'll break down their top specs, including camera quality, battery life, GPS precision, and ease of control, helping you choose the ideal 4K drone for your needs. Don't forget to check the description below for updated deals and prices. Let's take off and explore the best 4K drones worth buying. The first on the list is the Aligiport Mini Drone. The Aligiport Mini Drone proves that big performance can come in a compact design. Equipped with a 4K Ultra HD camera, it records stunning, high-resolution footage that rivals larger models. The adjustable lens allows you to fine-tune your shooting angle, giving your videos more creative depth and precision. Its compact, foldable design makes it ultra-portable, perfect for travel and spontaneous filming. The drone's intelligent altitude hold and optical flow positioning ensure it maintains stable hovering for smoother, shake-free shots, even indoors. Gesture controls add a fun touch. Simply wave to snap a selfie or start recording without touching the controller. Overall, the Aligiport Mini Drone delivers excellent 4K image quality, stable flight, and portability that's hard to beat at its size. Whether you're a traveler, vlogger, or casual hobbyist, this little drone packs plenty of creative power into a pocket-sized frame. Next up is the LYZRC L900 Pro SE. The L900 Pro SE is designed for those who crave professional quality video and exceptional flight control. Featuring a 4K UHD adjustable camera, it captures every detail from impressive heights with smooth transitions and minimal distortion. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization keeps footage stable even during quick maneuvers or gusty conditions. One of its most impressive aspects is its intelligent GPS navigation system, which supports smart features like auto return, follow me, and orbit mode. Whether you're hiking, biking, or recording cinematic travel shots, the L900 Pro SE keeps you perfectly framed without manual control. The drone's optical flow positioning further enhances stability during indoor or low-altitude flights, allowing smoother control and precision. Overall, the L900 Pro SE offers premium 4K visuals, extended range, and effortless control that rivals higher-end models. It's ideal for travel enthusiasts and aerial creators who demand both quality and convenience in one sleek drone. Next, we have the Suds Hot 4K drone. Built for creative pilots and aerial filmmakers, the Hot 4K drone impresses with its professional-grade 4K dual camera system, allowing you to switch perspectives easily between wide and downward angles. This feature is perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes or dynamic action scenes from multiple viewpoints. The drone's smart obstacle avoidance sensors detect and avoid barriers in real time, ensuring safer flights even for beginners. It also includes intelligent flight modes such as follow me, orbit, and gesture control, which let you operate hands-free while maintaining smooth footage. Overall, the Hot 4K drone is an outstanding choice for anyone who wants professional performance and smart safety technology. With crisp 4K imaging, obstacle avoidance, and a long flight time, it provides excellent value and confidence for both amateur and experienced pilots. Coming up next is the WDSC-CAM-YF New S X1 Max. The X1 Max is a powerhouse built for anyone who wants professional-grade 4K footage without paying a premium price. Equipped with a 4K dual camera setup, it captures crystal-clear images and smooth video with wide dynamic range and vivid color detail. The drone's electronic image stabilization ensures that even in windy conditions, your footage stays steady and cinematic. With a GPS intelligent flight system, the X1 Max maintains pinpoint accuracy and stability in the air. It includes follow me, point of interest, and waypoint flight modes, giving you creative freedom to capture scenes hands-free. Overall, the X1 Max delivers incredible 4K clarity, dependable flight performance, and smart automation, all in a portable, beginner-friendly package. It's an excellent balance of value and technology for anyone ready to elevate their aerial photography experience. The last one on our list is the LYZRC official L900 Pro SE. An upgraded version of the earlier model, this drone pushes performance even further. With a dual 4K camera system, it provides ultra-clear aerial shots and smooth video streaming. The adjustable camera captures both wide landscapes and detailed close-ups effortlessly, ensuring cinematic results every time you take off. The advanced GPS-assisted flight technology ensures stability, precision, and safety, featuring return to home, follow me, and intelligent waypoint modes. These smart features let the drone operate semi-autonomously, making it easy to focus on framing your shots rather than manual control. Overall, the official L900 Pro SE offers a refined flying experience, combining 4K clarity, reliable GPS, and durable build quality. It's a smart investment for anyone serious about capturing cinematic aerial footage with a reliable and stylish drone. So that wraps up our list of the best 4K drones you can get right now. Each model offers a unique blend of smart features, camera quality, and flight stability to match your needs and budget. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more detailed gear roundups. All purchase links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, fly safe and capture stunning skies.